Hey guys, in a few hours, so biyahe tayo ulit for our next delivery, no? But before that, I wanted to do a quick Facebook Live video for you guys, no? Just to show you the other trim levels na available sa 2025 Honda Pilot. So last week, gumawa tayo ng Facebook Live video where I showed you guys yung 2025 Honda Pilot Touring trim. Ito naman, it's gonna be a different trim level na gusto kong pakita sa inyo. So this one naman guys is a 2025 Honda Pilot Trail Sport na trim. Okay? So, when you're looking sa trim levels ng mga Honda Pilots, you are looking at Sport, which is yung base model, which is very hard to find kasi Honda Canada has not manufactured a lot of the base model. Okay? Yun ang pinaka-base model Sport. Okay? Tapos, kasunod nun yung EXL. Okay? Tapos yung Trail Sport, which is ito. After yung Trail Sport comes yung Touring, and then, you know, if you want a little cosmetic extra, then yung Black Edition. So, ito yung Trail Sport. So, this is the Honda Pilot na I would say, sa opinion ko, is mainly designed for people na dalawa lang ang anak, right? Or maybe a single person who likes the outdoorsy look ng Pilot. Or maybe, you know, magjowa kayo, magpartner kayo, wala kayong balak magkaanak, right? Something like this ba, right? So, yung itsura niya, guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo. So, ang kagandahan ng mga Honda Pilot kasi, yung hubog ng katawan nila, right, pare-parehas lang. So, whether you go with the Sport, the Touring, EXL, or Trail Sport, they all pretty much generally look the same. Now, main differences ng Trail Sport, yung gusto kong i-point out sa inyo ngayon. And I also want to point out one thing para sa mga viewers natin, mga page followers natin na mahilig palagi sa YouTube, right? One thing I always tell my potential clients, bibili kayo ng sasakyan, right, is yung, a lot of you guys kasi, you always tell me, ano ko na lang kuya, hanapin ko na lang sa YouTube, hanapin ko na lang sa YouTube. And sometimes kasi, pag nag-YouTube videos lang kayo, right, sa Google University, hindi mo alam na merong differences ang Canadian models versus sa US models. And 90% ng content sa YouTube, guess what, is based sa United States of America. So yung mga nakikita ninyong video sa YouTube with the Honda Pilot, for example, for 2025, guess what, those are American models. Hindi sila Canadian. And I'm gonna point out yung one big difference na meron sa Canadian na Trail Sport na wala sa American version nun. And that, for me, that was a big, that was a big factor whenever I'm recommending the Honda Pilot, no, in the Trail Sport. Now, looks-wise, wala ka talaga masasabi. Maganda naman talaga yung itsura niya. It's got the exclusive badging nakalagay Trail Sport. So, yan, di ba? Of course, the LED headlights. If you notice, yung fog lamps na sa baba, I just didn't turn it on. Okay? The other thing that would catch your attention is yung style ng wheels niya. Sa Trail Sport mo lang makikita yung itong klaseng style ng rims sa Honda Pilot lineup. Okay? This is exclusive. This is the 18-inch shark gray na color ng alloy wheels. And at the same time, yung Honda Pilot Trail Sport lang ang merong all-terrain tires. All the other pilots, EXL, Sport, Touring, Black Edition, naka-all-season tires. The Trail Sport is the only one na naka-all-terrain. Kasi ito yung pilot trim level na minamarket ng Honda na pwede mong pang off-road. Technically, if you look at the specs nila, guys, like if you look at the spec sheets ng Honda Pilot for 2025, pare-parehas lang sila. Pare-parehas lang sila ng specs, right? There's just a little here, a little there na meron tong Trail Sport. That's why it's being marketed for people na, you know, who might be thinking of taking this off-roading. And that's one of those things, yung all-terrain tires niya. So, yan siya, oh. Diba? So, style ng wheels, all-terrain tires, right? Now, the Honda Pilot na Trail Sport is the only Honda Pilot na dedicated, exclusive 7-seater lang. Hindi siya convertible to 8-seater. So, I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. Pasok tayo sa loob. I have to unlock it first pala. I should have to go inside. Unlock natin. This is a brand new unit, as you can see. Diyan pa yung ating mga plastic, no? Para ka nag-unbox ng laruan, right? Bagong-bago. So, this is what I mean by exclusive siyang 7-seater. So, if you realize, if you want watching my videos, no, yung Honda Pilot na Touring, Black Edition, 8-seater sila. Kasi yung middle seat sa gitna, stow and go. Pwede mong tanggalin, ilagay mo sa likod. Sa EXL, it's a bench. Hindi mo pwedeng tanggalin yung nasa gitna. Bench seating yun. 8-seater siya. Same thing sa sport. Sa trail sport lang, yung exclusive na 7-seater. So what I mean by that is completely dedicated space to, as in wala. Hindi mo pwedeng lagyan ng middle seat dito. Yan lang talaga yung setup niya. Kaya nga sabi ko, maybe this vehicle would be more suited for people na sabihin natin siguro, ingat, baka teenager na yung mga anak, or maybe apat lang kayo sa family ninyo, right? Or maybe, parang sabi ko nga, couple kayo, mag-asawa kayo, mga alaga kayong malaking aso, o ano man, mahilig kayo mag-camping. This vehicle might be better for you compared to going with the, the more family-oriented na Touring, tsaka Black Edition, tsaka EXL. And again, it's mainly stylistic choices. Not so much yung functionality or whatnot. Completely style lang talaga. Right? Kasi kung hindi mo kailangan nung bench na upuan, na tatlo yung uupo dito, maybe it's just you and your friends ang uupo dito sa likuran, no? Right? Then you can easily fold those seats down sa likod for all the extra space for your camping stuff or, kung ano man ang trip mong gawin sa buhay. Pakita ko sa inyo. And another thing na exclusive din sa trail sport that comes from the factory na is yung tow hitch. So, mind you, pwede ka naman magpalagay ng ganito sa kahit saang pilot. All the pilot trim levels, pwede mong palagyan ng tow hitch. Bayad ka nga lang ng extra. Mga, depende yata, mga 1.5, 1.7 pataas eh. Right? So ito, kung bibiliin mo yung trail sport, built-in na siya. Straight from the factory, built-in na siya. Okay? That's pretty much the main thing na exclusive sa trail sport. Is yung trail hitch, yung all-terrain tires, yung different style ng ng rims niya, different color ng rims. But safety features, you got your blind spot, you got your rear cross traffic alert sensors niya sa likuran, you got your backup cam dito, power lift gate din. Diba? So you can easily fold this down kung gusto mo. Kung di mo gagamitin yung third row seating mo for all the extra space na gusto mong gamitan. Tanggalin ko lang yung seat belts niya. Ha! Tupiin ko lang to ha para pakita nyo. So, fold that down. Fold this down. O, diba? Magka-camping ka, gusto mo ng extra space, yan, lots of space right there, right? Sabihin natin, isa pa lang ang anak mo, stroller, bassinet, ano pang gusto mo lagay dyan, kasyang-kasya, di ba? You got extra storage there as well. Now, this Pilot Trail Sport has this extra storage dito kasi wala yung stow and go na seats niya. Kasi on the other trim level, sa Touring tsaka sa Black Edition, yung middle seat sa gitna, pwede mo tanggalin, dito mo siya lalagay. So since wala siyang ganun dito, may extra storage ka. All the marketing materials na we got from like Honda Canada sa mga training namin, ang main target market ng Honda Pilot na Trail Sport is for individuals na who might be thinking of taking this vehicle off-roading, right? Maybe hindi nila feel yung passport, or maybe meron silang parang marami sa inyo, right? Dadalawang family, galing Pilipinas, nanay or tatay, or both. But they're only gonna be here for 6 months to 1 year. So they're only gonna be here for 6 months to 1 year, right? Then saka mo gagamitin tong extra seating sa likuran. Tapos pag uwi nila, fold mo na ulit, di ba? Yung utility niya, right? Now you can say the same thing naman for the Touring, for the Black Edition. But again, target market wise, ito yung kumbaga, kung in simplified terms, ito yung Pilot na minamarket nila sa mga single or couples na gustong kumuha ng Pilot, right? And maybe might need yung utility nung third row later on for something else, right? Kasi yung Passport exclusively 5-seater eh. So, ayan siya, 'di ba? Power liftgate din. Now, the one disappointing thing na wala ang Canadian models natin na meron sa US models. And I know if you've been watching YouTube videos ng Honda Pilot, right? ine-expect mo na pag bibili ka ng 2025 na Honda Pilot, meron ka rin ganun. Unfortunately, for the Canadian models, wala. Wala siyang camera sa harapan. Kasi that was one of the biggest selling points ng Trail Sport sa US. It had the camera here, may extra camera siya dito, and you know, if you are off-roading, magagamit mo yon to see yung both sides ng terrain habang nag-drive ka off-road, tsaka yung harapan, right? So unfortunately, if you live in Canada like me, right, like tayong lahat, right, if bibili ka ng Honda Pilot Trail Sport sa Canada, hindi mo makukuha yung front camera na meron sa US models. Ano yung front camera na tinutukoy ko? Ito. Here is an example of the Honda Pilot Touring, which yung nabenta natin last week. Right? Ito yung front camera niya. Yan. Sa US models ng Honda Pilot Trail Sport, merong ganyan. Unfortunately, sa ating mga Canadian, wala tayong nakuhang ganyan. So kung naghahanap ka ng Honda Pilot Trail Sport, nagustuhan mo yung camera dito sa harapan, then, you know, you might have to go across the border and buy a US model. Otherwise, if malaking bagay sa'yo itong front camera na to, right, you have to go for the higher trim level, which is yung Touring. But, you know, otherwise, ito yung Trail Sport, right? So, kaya nga nasabi ko, looks-wise, very rugged, very off-roady. Yan ang market na habol ng Honda when they made this vehicle here, right? There is the Passport already, yes. And the Passport also has a Trail Sport na trim na available. But yun nga, yung Honda Passport, right, is exclusively 5-seater lang. Sa Pilot, in the case of the Trail Sport, 7-seater. So pakita ko lang yung loob sa inyo. Another small thing na exclusive sa Trail Sport is itong embossed na design niya. So nakita niyo naman yung logo sa harapan, nakalagay Trail Sport. Sa loob, meron din. In case makalimutan mo kung anong klaseng sasakyan na drive mo, meron din siyang Trail Sport dito. So may Trail Sport siya na embossed na logo dyan. And it has the orange stitching dito. Now, for the Trail Sport, yung kanyang upholstery sa loob ay hindi leather. Okay? This is leatherette, aka synthetic leather, which again, going with the standard marketing ba, ay mas madali daw linisan at mas durable. Sabi nila ha, kumpara sa regular na normal na animal leather. So, yun yung purpose ng synthetic leather. It doesn't get as hot compared to regular leather. It doesn't crack, mas madaling linisan, and all that stuff. That's why they put it on the Trail Sport. So on the other trims ng Honda Pilot na may leather seating, sa EXL, leather yung upuan mo sa harapan. And then leatherette yung sa likod. For the Touring, tsaka Black Edition is leather. For Trail Sport, leatherette. Okay? Leatherette yung upholstery niya dito. Tsaka yung sa likod din. And babalik ako sa likod dito kasi baka makalimutan ko yung susi ng sasakyan. But yeah, so ayan siya. And adjustable din naman yung middle seats sa middle row niya. It also has yung power outlet, yung saksakan dito sa likod, which wala sa mga ibang lower trim na Pilot. Okay. Heated seats din naman, yung dalawang upuan sa likuran. Okay. And then you got your 2 USB-C ports for charging devices. And they decided to give this the panoramic sunroof na meron sa Touring tsaka sa Black Edition. But otherwise, main differences niya guys, mainly stylistic lang talaga. Going here sa loob, kita ko na rin, programmable driver seats, power adjustable seating, so all the things you would expect in a Honda Pilot naman. So yan siya. Now the Trail Sport does not have the navigation built in. Yung navigation ng Honda is only available sa Touring tsaka sa Black Edition. Okay? Now the one thing then, na unfortunately, wala itong Trail Sport is yung connectivity dun sa Honda app. Kasi if you go use yung Honda app, right, there is a subscription service na available there where you can track down yung sasakyan mo, you can remote start yung sasakyan mo using your cell phone. It's a subscription service na may bayad siya. But sa Trail Sport, hindi siya kasama dun. So it's only available sa Touring tsaka sa Black Edition ng Honda Pilot. So if you're gonna go with the lower trim model, you won't have access to that. But everything else, andyan naman. You got one wireless charging pad there, more charging pads more charging options dito pala. Backup camera is right there, no? So you got yung rear cross traffic alert mo, multi-view backup camera. But again, yung 360 degree na bird's eye view na camera, ika nga, right? Yung front-facing camera, unfortunately, wala siya sa Canadian model ng Trail Sport. So, atrasan natin to. 9-inch touchscreen display. Yan. So, is it a vehicle na I would recommend? I honestly, guys, I always tell my customers, if kaya naman ng budget, you might as well go for the Touring. Okay? Kasi it just makes it up for it, right? For yung lack na features na binanggit ko kanina, right? I understand na not a lot of people want to drive around yung Pilot na mukhang may pangsundo ng bata, mukhang pang pamilya, and I understand that, right? This is more of the off-roady, pang single tita or single tito na hindi nag-asawa na tipo ng sasakyan na pwedeng sunduin yung mga pamangkin pag kailangan, pero wala silang sarili mga anak nila, mga alaga lang, mga ganun tipo ba. It's a good vehicle, it's a nice vehicle, right? But if I was the one na tatanungin ng kliyente, Sir Jerry, kung ikaw ang bibigyan ng Pilot, anong pipiliin mo? Right? Touring o yung Trail Sport? I would go with the Touring. Okay? But of course, syempre, kasi iba yung needs ko. May 3 akong bata. Right? So sa inyo, baka hindi ganun, di ba? One thing na I also like mentioning sa mga Pilots is yung acoustic windshield niya. Kasi when you're driving sa highway, like I do when I do a lot of highway driving, right, it really reduces yung noise, road noise, when nag-drive ka sa high speeds. Right? For the Trail Sport, you do get the acoustic windshield, but you don't get the acoustic side mirrors, which meron ka sa Touring na trim. But, you know, nonetheless, it's still a nice vehicle, right? I do understand na, you know, lots of people like the styling ng sasakyan na to. So initially, we had several of these sa inventory. I just checked again. For some reason, ito na lang ang naiwan. So, people must be buying these as well. But yeah, so here you go, guys. I just want to do a quick Facebook Live video. Just want to give you guys a basic rundown, differences na meron sa Trail Sport, the features na meron siya na wala sa ibang Pilot. And then, you know, kung interesado kayo, let me know, right? I don't know when we're gonna get our next shipment ng mga Pilot, especially for this trim level. Right now, I only have this one, which is a Sonic Gray Pearl. But as you can see, I have a silver na Pilot Touring and I have a gray one sa likudan. So yeah, and then yung isa Passport yun. But yeah, so ito yung tsura niya, guys. So again, parang sabi ko nga, before always relying sa YouTube ko na lang, i-YouTube ko na lang, tingnan nyo muna kung yung pinapanood yung video is featuring a Canadian model na sasakyan. This is a Canadian model na sasakyan. Sa US model, iba. Okay? Sa inyong badging sa likuran ng Trail Sport. All-wheel drive, of course. And there you go. We're gonna end the video there because we have to get home, get some rest, and then magbiyahe pa tayo mamaya madaling araw.